Good morning. Today again we start variation of parameter remaining questions. In first type questions we have to find CF by direct method. Now here using homogeneous method and one part of CF. Now the question is solve by variation of parameter x square d2y upon dx square plus x dy by dx minus y equal to x square e raised to the power x. Clearly this is an homogeneous equation. Homogeneous equation, we put first x equals to e raised to the power z and log x equals to z, and in left hand side part x d by dx equals to capital D and x square d2 upon dx square equals to d minus 1. Put these value to find CF, taking right hand side part equals to 0. This right hand side part x square e raised to the power x equals to 0. X square d2 upon dx square, we can write d into d minus 1. X d by dx, this is d minus 1, y common equal to 0. On solving, d square minus 1 y equals to 0. Auxiliary equation is m square minus 1 equals to 0, m equal to plus minus 1. Therefore its CF is C1 e raised to the power z plus C2 e raised to the power minus z. Now put z equals to log x. C1 e raised to the power log x plus C2 e raised to the power minus log x. This is C1x plus C2 upon x. Therefore u equal to x and v equal to 1 upon x. And r equals to, here r is e raised to the power x, because this x square is cancelled by this x square, because the coefficient of d2y upon dx square is 1. Therefore r equal to e raised to the power x. U equal to x, v equal to 1 upon x. Now u dv by dx minus v du by dx. U x dv by dx, differentiation of this term is minus 1 upon x square minus 1 upon x as it is, and du by dx, इसका differentiation 1. On solving we get minus 2 upon x. The complete solution is y equals to au plus bv. To find a and b, we have u(a1) plus v(b1) equals to 0 and u1(a1) plus v1(b1) equals to r. On solving these equation, we get a equal to this term. Now put this value, v is equals to 1 upon x, r e raised to the power x, u dv by dx minus v du by dx, this is minus 2 upon x into dx. 1 upon x cancel, minus minus plus, 1 upon 2 bahar, and e raised to the power x. Integration of e raised to the power x, this is e raised to the power x. And b is equals to integration u r upon u dv by dx minus v du by dx into dx plus c2. U x r e raised to the power x upon my minus 2 upon x into dx plus c2. Minus 1 upon 2 constant, this 1 upon x convert into numerator form x square e raised to the power x dx. Using Euler method, first function x square, second function e raised to the power x, minus half x square as it is, integration of e raised to the power x, e raised to the power x, minus differentiation of x square 2x, integration of second e raised to the power x dx. Again apply Euler formula. In this integration we get minus 2 e raised to the power x, x minus 1 plus c2. This is b. Final answer, y equals to au plus bv. Put the value of au and bv and get answer. ये already हम discuss कर चुके हैं, r equals to e raised to the power x, because after divide by x square, because the coefficient of d2y upon dx square is 1 in general form. Next question. Using one part of CF method, we have to find CF. Solve the following solve by method of variation of parameter 1 minus x d2y upon dx square plus x dy by dx minus y equals to 1 minus x whole square. First divide by 1 minus x, because d2y upon coefficient of d2y upon dx square is 1. Now compare general form. Here p is equals to x upon 1 minus x and q equals to minus 1 upon 1 minus x and r equals to 1 minus x. Clearly p plus qx equals to 0. If we multiply this term by x and adding these two terms, we get this term equals to 0. Therefore, u equal to x be a one part of CF. Again, 1 plus p plus q equals to be 0. Therefore, its another part of CF is v equals to e raised to the power x. Now u dv by dx minus v du by dx. U x dv by dx e raised to the power x minus v e raised to the power x and du by dx. This is 1. E raised to the power x common, x minus 1 minus common e raised to the power x 1 minus x. माइनस इसलिए कॉमन लिया क्योंकि r के अंदर हमारे पास टर्म ऑलरेडी 1 माइनस एक्स के फॉर्म में है, तो कैंसिल करना इजी रहता है. The complete solution is y equals to a u plus bv. To find a and b using equations u a1 plus v b1 equals to 0, u1 a1 plus v1 b1 equals to r. On solving we get a equals to minus integration of v r upon u dv by dx minus v du by dx into dx plus c1. V e raised to the power x r 1 minus x. This term is e raised to the power x 1 minus x into dx. Minus minus cancel. ये complete term cancel. Integration of 1 का integration x. Now b is equals to u r upon u dv by dx minus v du by dx into dx plus c2. U x r 1 minus x u dv by dx minus v du by dx. This is minus e raised to the power x 1 minus x into dx plus c2. 1 minus x cancel, e raised to the power x इसको ट्रांसफर कर दें, we get x e raised to the power minus x into dx plus c2. Using Euler formula, first function x, second function e raised to the power x, and solve this term, we get b is equals to this. Put the value in y equals to a u plus bv and get answer. Another question is d2y upon dx square plus 1 minus cot x dy by dx minus cot x into y equal to sin square x. Here p is equals to 1 minus cot x and q equals to minus cot x and r equals to sin square x. Clearly 1 minus p plus q. 1 minus p plus q, this is 1 minus p this term, and q this term is equals to 0. Therefore u equal to e raised to the power minus x be a one part of CF. Now to find another part of CF using formula, v is equals to u integration 1 upon u square e raised to the power minus integration of p dx into dx. U e raised to the power minus x 1 upon u square e raised to the power minus 2x e raised to the power minus integration of p equals to 1 minus cot x into dx. Integration of 1 x cot x log sin x. So this is e raised to the power minus 2x ऊपर ट्रांसफर कर दे e raised to the power 2x. E raised to the power minus x e raised to the power log sin x into dx. E and log cancel, this term is sin x. E raised to the power 2x and e raised to the power minus x cancel, e raised to the power x, and again apply standard formula e raised to the power x sin x dx. This is e raised to the power x upon 1 plus 1 sin x minus cos x, and e raised to the power x e raised to the power minus x cancel, this is, hence another part of v is equals to sin x minus cos x. Constant term may be removed. Now u dv by dx minus v du by dx. U e raised to the power minus x dv by dx, differentiation of this term, differentiation of sin cos का minus sin, minus minus plus, minus sin x minus cos x as it is, or differentiation of u, u का differentiation minus e raised to the power minus x. This minus minus plus e raised to the power minus x common, cos x plus sin x minus cos x. Cos x or cos x cancel, sin x plus sin x, this is 2 sin x. To find a and b, we have u a1 plus v b1 equals to 0 and u1 a1 plus v1 b1 equals to r. On solving we get a is equals to minus integration of v r upon u dv by dx minus v du by dx into dx plus c1, and b is equals to integration u r upon u dv by dx minus v du by dx into dx plus c2. V sin x minus cos x r sin square x upon u dv by dx, so 2 e raised to minus x sin x. Sin x and sin x cancel. Now 1 upon 2 outside, sin or sin cancel, e raised to minus x upper transfer, this sin into sin, sin square, sin into cos, sin x into cos x. Now multiplied and divided by 2. This term is 2 sin square x and 2 sin x cos x. So here 1 upon 4. E raised to the power x as it is 2 sin square x. This is 1 minus cos 2x minus 2 sin x cos x. This is sin 2x into dx plus c1. Integration of e raised to the power x plus minus minus plus 1 upon 4 e raised to the power x cos 2x plus 1 upon 4 e raised to the power x sin 2x into dx plus c1. Integration of e raised to the power x, this is e raised to the power x. Using standard formula, integration of this term is e raised to the power x upon 1 plus 4 cos 2x plus 2 sin 2x. Formula is a cos bx plus b sin bx. Here 1 upon 4 e raised to the power x upon 1 plus 4 sin 2x minus 2 cos 2x. Formula is a sin bx minus b cos bx. These are the formulas. Now b is equals to u r upon u dv by dx minus v du by dx into dx plus c2. U e raised to the power minus x r sin square x upon 2 e raised to the power minus x sin x into dx plus c2. E raised to the power minus x cancels, sin square upon sin plus c2. Or integration of sin, this is minus cos x upon 2. Complete solution is y equals to au plus bv. Thank you.